Christmas week at the grocery store is typically busy and congested, but the storm is adding to wait times. The rush for everything from food to presents to snow blowers is on.
CBS 2's Chris Tye is live in Evanston with a mad dash still underway tonight. Chris.
That's right, Joe and Erica. That race is on to get all those things you just mentioned. Meantime, the race is on in suburbs like Evanston here between city leaders and nonprofit groups to devise the creation of warming centers as this really bitter cold that Albert talked about is just about ready to set in. That as consumers are moving up their clocks to get everything from bread to road salt. As quickly as it comes in, storm prep buyers moving products out, from salt to shovels.
We've never run out of them, and we are officially out, except for one left.
To just one snowblower left here at Evanston's Ace Hardware. You can see the outlines from where the rest of that inventory had been.
I think people are stocking up because they feel like it's going to be crazy, hectic.
Hectic, too, right next door.
Hi, this is Benison's. How can I help you?
Margot Fournier is the manager at Benison's Bakery.
Again, have a good rest of your day.
They're also seeing the consumer clock for shoppers speed up.
We have gotten a lot of calls and a lot of people coming in mentioning the storm and how they need to pick everything up right now just so that they don't have to come in during the storm.
Also, the consumer conundrum of, will I need all these cakes and cookies if the storm knocks out party plans?
Just a couple of minutes ago, a woman come in and pick up one of her orders a day early.
Do you know what day you would like to change that to?
48 hours before snowfall, the lines at grocery stores growing more quickly than normal Christmas weeks. And while it's rare, some shelves are bare too. Chicago hasn't had a blizzard in a decade. A major storm this close to Christmas is even more rare. From the bakery counter,
Let's just grab a 50-pounder.
to the hardware store, consumers dropping some early green to ensure this white Christmas is a smooth one. Another complicating factor in getting these warming centers up and running is that scheduling them and getting more bodies here during holiday week is not an easy task. In Evanston and other suburbs we reached out to, they say they are going to roll out those formal plans here in the next 24 to 36 hours. And of course, we'll pass that along too. Live in Evanston, Chris Tye, CBS 2 News.
Yeah, hoping everyone stays safe and warm. Chris, thank you.